Now let us solve few problems on the classifications of systems. Okay, so here in these two problems we have to check whether these two systems are linear, causal, static or time variant. We have to check all these whether the systems are linear, causal, static or time variant. So let us check the static first. Okay, so for the system to be static, let us say the first example, y of t is equals to x of t plus a, right? If we put t is equals to 0, the present time, okay, y of 0 will be equals to x of 0 plus a, okay, y of 0 equals to x of 0 plus a, and if t is equals to 1, y of 1 is equals to x of 1 plus a, and if t is equals to minus 1, y of minus 1 is equals to x of minus 1 plus a. Okay, so this means what? This system is depending on the present value. If this system is depending on the present value of time, okay, so this system is said to be static. Okay, this is a static system. So that means the first system which is here is static. Okay, now let us check whether this system is causal or non-causal. So for causal and non-causal, we have to check whether the system is depending. If the system is depending on present and past values of time, then this system is said to be causal. If it is depending on the future value, then it is non-causal system. Okay, so present time, let's say t equals to 0. If you put, what we get? Y of 0, which is equals to x of 0 plus a. Similarly, t equals to 1, y of 1 is equals to x of 1 plus a, and t equals to minus 5, y of minus 5 is equals to x of minus 5 plus a. Whatever value if you put here, as these two are depending on the same value, means this system is depending only on the present value. Okay, if it is depending on the present value, then also it is a causal system. So this system is a causal system. Okay, now let us check whether the system is linear or non-linear. So for linear and non-linear, what I told is we have to make a block diagram first, like this. Let us say we are having a x1t signal and we are providing to a system and will give some output, and x2t signal and we are providing to a system and this will give one output. Add those outputs and will get some value, and take this xt, take this x2t, add them. After adding, put it on a system, give it on the system, and this will give some value. Okay, and let us assume that this is x3 of t. Okay, if these two outputs are same, then the system is linear, else non-linear. So let us put these values here. Okay, so x1t system, the system is following this. Okay, system is following xt plus 1, so output will be what? x1 of t plus a. Here the system will follow the same rule. This will give you x2 of t plus a. If we add them, what we are going to get? x1 of t plus x2 of t plus 2 times a plus a. Now let us check this one. x3 of t is x1t plus x2t. This is addition, and provide to the system. This system will give you output as y3 of t, which is equals to x3 of t plus a, right? But here at place of x3t, what we have to do? x1t, we have to put x1t because x3t is sum of these two. So put that value. What we are going to get? x1 of t plus x2 of t plus a. Now if we check these two outputs are not same. So means what? This system is non-linear system. It is not a linear system. Okay. So this is how you check linearity, non-linearity. Now let us check whether the system is time variant or invariant. Fine. Time invariant, again what we have to do, we have to make a block diagram like this. First system, then delay, then first delay, system, and will give you some output. You can interchange these branches, no need to worry. Okay, so this is the signal, this is the system. Okay, if xt is there, the system, what this system is doing, the system is just adding a constant plus a here. So the system output will be equals to x of t plus a. Okay, output here will be x of t plus a. What this delay will do, this delay will provide a delay of capital T. Okay, so the output will be equals to, wherever it will find t, this t will be replaced by here. The input here is xt plus a. Whatever input it is coming, this delay will provide a delay of capital T. Wherever it will find t, it will replace t by t minus capital T. So x of t minus capital T plus a. Right? Now next is xt, we have to provide delay. So what we are going to get, x of t minus capital T, because this delay here is capital T only, both we have to provide same delay both the side, capital T. Now what the system is doing, the system is just adding capital A inside the input. Okay, so the output will be x of t minus t plus a. So if we look, these two outputs are same. If these two outputs are same, then the system is time invariant. Okay, this is not time variant, time invariant. So this TV is time variant. So this is not a time variant, this is time invariant. Okay, so this was the first example. Now let us take the second example. And in the second example it is written xt into cos of t, x of t into cos of t. Okay, now we have to check this, whether the system is linear, causal, static or time variant. Now let us see the first condition, whether let us check whether the system is static or dynamic. Okay, so for that, for static, put t equals to 0 here. So what we are going to get, this implies that y of 0 will be equals to x of 0 cos of 0, right? If t equals to 1, this implies that y of 1 is equals to x of 1 cos of 1. If t is minus 2, this implies that y of minus 2 is equals to x of minus 2 cos of minus 2. Means what? If you look clearly here, at all the instance, we need not to take care of these values. Let us forget about it, because this is a constant. Okay, let us see this, because this is the input. Okay, or at all the instance, the system is depending on the present value. Okay, if the system is depending on the present value, then the system is static, otherwise dynamic. So again, this system is static. Okay, now for causal, t equals to 0, minus 1, minus 2, put this again, but we see at all the time it is depending on the present value. If it is depending on the present value, then the system is causal. Okay, now let us check whether the system is linear or non-linear. Okay, so to check linear or non-linear, what we have to do, we have to make the same block diagram. Okay, so x1t we are providing to a system and we are adding the output. Okay, x2t to the system. Okay, and now we will take this input and we will take this input, provide to a sum, and the addition of this we have to provide to a system and will give some output, and here will denote x3 of t. Okay, so x1t, x2t. Now the system is following this rule. What will be the output of the system? The output of the system will be x1t into cos of t. Okay, so output of the system is equals to x1 of t into cos t. Output of this system will be x2 of t cos of t. Add then what we are going to get, x1 of t cos of t plus x2 of t cos of t. Right? Now we have applied these input and we have formed x3t by adding them, and this x3 we are applying to the system, and this system will give some output, and that output will be equals to what? x3t into cos of t. Right? Now this x3t is what? x3t is x1t plus x2t. Okay, so let us put these values here. So x1t is x3t is x1t plus x2t into cos of t, right? And finally what we are going to get is equals to x1t cos of t plus x2t cos of t, right? And if we check this output and this output, these two are same. So this means what? This system is a linear system. So yes, this is linear. Okay. Now let us check whether the system is time variant or time invariant. Okay, so for that also we have to make a block diagram. X of t, okay, then system, then delay, this will give some output, then delay, then system, this will give some output. Okay, now let us find the output when this xt is translating forward. Okay, xt is coming to this system and this system is following this rule. So what this will give? Wherever it will find input, it will multiply this cos of t in the system. So output of this will be equals to xt into cos of t. And this delay, what this delay will do? This delay will provide a delay of capital T wherever it will find t. Okay, wherever it will get the input, wherever it will find small t, this delay block will replace that small t by t minus capital T. Okay, so the output of this delay will be equals to x of t minus capital T cos of t minus capital T. Right? Now let's take this xt signal. Now provide a delay. Okay, if you provide a delay, what we are going to get? X of t minus capital T. Okay, now what the system is doing? This system is just multiplying cos inside the input, cos to the input. Okay, this system is just multiplying cosine of t into the input. So what output you are going to get here is cos of t into x of t minus capital T. Right? If we check these two are not equal. The outputs are not equal. If these two are not equal, means what? This system is time variant. Okay, so this is a time variant system. So like that you have to solve further for the problems.